Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video, here to bring you a 4,000 watt system that's going crazy. And if you round it off, it is 4,000 watts. You know, I did my calculations because you got 3,700 watt amp, two subwoofers, that's 2,000 RMS piece. So yeah, it is 4K. You know, but like I said, like, you know, I probably ain't said it before, or I said it a lot, but it's other people's sound systems that have the same wattage I have that sound better, that's hitting harder, you know, or even a little bit less, like 3,000s. So I mean, it just all depends on how they put the system together. That's all. You know, like me, I did what I wanted to do in here. Like, it's gonna be a lot of plans coming up too. You know, we getting around to it. You know, I keep on mentioning the building of the box and stuff. I'm definitely gonna do that, and I'm gonna do other things too after that. So it's gonna be a lot of innovation on the channel. Just gonna try to be a little bit more creative, you know what I'm saying? Show you guys what I can really do. Show y'all what be on my mind. You know, it's gonna be something simple like an amp rack, or, you know, especially with the subwoofer box. And I might start making even more subwoofer box, depending on how the first one go. You know, it's a lot of you out there that probably ain't built it, and it's like, man, it's like a breeze to you guys. So we got something for you guys to check out real quick. So let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna just get a couple of windows cracked up in here. It's like a very low bass song, so let it get a little something to breathe. So let's go ahead and do it.
Yeah, I almost broke my fucking life. I'm fried. No cap. No motherfucking kids. These niggas. I'm really seeing I fuck with the fuck. I'm telling him he said he was slowing that nigga. This is not what's fucking this cuz I'm on him too. Cause I know he was slow. Wait for the back in that bitch nigga blush. Wait for the front in that bitch nigga suck. Niggas be capping on your lip. I'm really seeing I fuck with the fuck. Tell him he said he was smoking.
That song.
Talk your shit, bro.
Yeah. Free my little sister, free my girl at the gym, man. You know what I'm saying?
It's a fact.
There it is. Woo! I like the way that sound. Sounded very lovely. There's a lot of dropping low in that song too, so. But yeah, that's it for now. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna blast y'all too long today. You know, it is a nice little bright sunny day with a lot of snow on the ground. I mean, the snow is starting to come up a little bit, so probably get a little bit hotter this weekend. So maybe I might be able to go ahead and just do something this weekend. You know, I mean, that's just about it, guys. You know what I'm saying? You know, like, you know, the system with the 3 Gothics. You know, I hope you guys liked that. I would have thought I would have got a little bit more input about them though, but you know what I'm saying? But they are good speakers, you know what I'm saying, for the price. So, all right, guys. So I hope you like the video, and if you do, smash the like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.